one of the principal things that I'm taking from this training is the reconnection with my authentic voice and clearing in my throat chakra. Yeah, this is one of the things, and also the connection with my beloved guides like Isis and Hathor, and also Mary Magdalene. Yeah, working with that energy again it's very nice. Feel at home. Yeah, I have to say that my favorite part of the training was the retreat, because I loved to be in person with Elsa and with my sisters. It was so powerful, so magical, and it gave me the opportunity to play live all together, and to deepen in the practices and do the commitment to go beyond. So it was incredible. Well, I have to say that it's the first time that I have worked with her. So from the very beginning, when I had a call with her, I really like it, the energy, and the peace that emanates from her, and all the journey, all along the way. I felt so comfy, so safe in the space, and I love her generosity, and also her humility to be a beautiful person and sister and teacher. So and also to have that knowledge that she shares and she brings with us. Well, I will say, hey sister, if you are feeling this call, if you resonate with this path of the Priestess of Sacred Sound, I highly recommend you to join in this journey, because it's life-changing and it would be wow, fantastic. I'm pretty sure. So don't hesitate and join us.